Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Ensure the VM is in the intended state, powered off for a clean baseline or running for a live capture. Open Virtualbox, select the VM and switch to the Snapshots tab. Click Create Snapshot and name it descriptively so you can find it later. Explain why. A named snapshot documents state, config, and disk differencing. Once created, Virtualbox stores a restore point you can return to, which prevents risky changes from becoming permanent. Once done with the first snapshot, manage the core workflow. Treat snapshots as short-term checkpoints, not backups. You can restore to any snapshot to revert state, or clone a snapshot to test changes in isolation. Be aware of parent-child chains. Deep chains increase risk and disk usage, so delete snapshots you no longer need. Virtualbox will merge differencing disks. Make sure to compact or clone disks to reclaim space, because differencing files grow as you run the VM. Finish by consolidating. Once changes are verified, delete intermediate snapshots so Virtualbox merges them into the base disk and frees space. For long-term retention, export an appliance or clone a snapshot to an external file. That gives you a portable backup. If something goes wrong, say the VM won't boot, make sure disk differencing files are present and not corrupted. Then try cloning the problematic snapshot or importing the exported OVA to recover the working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.